Hello friends, subscribe Tricknology and press the bell icon to never miss the updates.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel Tricknology. So today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to create a new blank partition on your Windows 10 computer. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, you need to go to your My Computer and you have to right click on this PC and go to the Manage tab over there. Click on Manage and now you'll get this computer management window. Okay, you have to click on disk management from the left side. Okay, and right now I don't have any unlocated partition over there, and this disk 0 all other partition for Linux, and the C drive, D drive, E drive and H drive is a Windows drive. Okay, so I will use this H drive to create a new partition. So right now 29 GB is free over there, as you can see. So right click on H drive and click on sync volume, and now you have to enter the amount. So I will create a 10 GB partition. So I will put here 10,000 MB, and after that click on shrink. So now after done, as you can see, one unlocated partition is created over there. So you have to right click on that unlocated partition and you have to click on new simple volume. Now click on next and then next, and from here you can assign a drive later, whatever you want, and after that I will choose here F and then click on finish. Now as you can see, it's showing formatting over there, and as you can see now one volume is showing on my my computer, as you can see. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any queries or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.